This is pretty much the worst type of snow. It's not poofy snow, it's super wet, like, you know, water grenade snow, where you step on it and it just soaks you. Guess I'll keep this in mind for some potential flat ground. When it's wet, at least. They already put a lot of salt out, so maybe this was actually wet before. She smashed right into winter, man. Look at that. R.I.P. man. I came here with a wing and a prayer today, hoping that it was going to be dry. It is definitely not. I should have remembered that there was a downhill leading into the spot, which will cause trickling of the water. Also, did not remember the fact that there's a huge gap in the bridges. I guess we could do a little story time. I want to say maybe about 6 years ago, I tried ollieing this bump to bar. I remember being weirded out by this thing on the roll up. I think I might have tried it like 4 times, and on the 4th attempt, I actually made it over and almost did it. So I rolled up the bank, ollie. Woo! Made it like this far to the ground, and my foot fell off. My friend Takesh was filming a full length and he wanted me to get a clip for him, so I tried to ollie it and rolled my ankle really bad. Also, when I did it, there wasn't an awning there, I don't think. That would bug me. I don't know if anyone skated this thing or not, man, the gap to outledge, but it looks so good. One of these days when I'm feeling more comfortable on my skateboard again, hopefully, I would love to skate that spot. I've never ollied a real bump to bar. I've done a small one in Albany, New York. It's upstate, but still never a real one. Big shout out to Salt. Look at this.
Out there now.
I think we might go all the way.
After this one, yeah. Okay. Wise guys.
We got dryness, baby. It's a warm feeling 24 degrees out. Let's get it. Pretty simple. I'm gonna try to do a straight 8.
Is it okay?
Counts. Okay, this is actually my idea right here. It's been forever since I've skated flat, so I'm just gonna try to do however many like flat ground tricks there are, and it does not matter how I land it. Starting with what should we start with?
Backside nollie, shove it, front side tailspin.
Yeah, we gotta redo this. It always goes backside. Ah! But that time it didn't, but my body did. So in the past footage I've seen of myself, I noticed that my foot, when I do switch heel flips, I tend to do this for some reason. I don't know what it is, but only my toe is down, and I need to learn how to plant my whole foot to get that good flick. I feel like I always airball it because I'm set up like this. I don't get it. This ledge is pretty wet, but very doable. I don't think I've ever done backtail to fakie in my life. So I just did 2 of them. They were really bad, but hey, that was sick. All right, it's cold. I'm gonna try to do one of my old faithful tricks over a trash can. It usually works. It's like my warm-up one, hopefully. They're not turning. If you move the trash around wherever you are, put it back.
Thank you so much.
I brought a board for dry, which is in really bad shape. And I brought a board for the wet stuff, but we're gonna switch to snowboarding. One try only. Ah, dude.